Have you ever experienced headache, eye strain, watching, blurring of vision, or sometimes even double vision after prolonged near work? If your answer is yes, you're probably suffering from some orthoptics issue. Orthoptics deals with the evaluation, diagnosis, and non-surgical management of binocular vision and focusing problems. We at Narayana Nethralaya have a dedicated department with trained orthoptists where patients with orthoptics issues get thoroughly evaluated and treated. After detailed history taking, patients are then subjected to vision and refraction assessment, followed by assessment of depth perception, eye alignment testing, and if there is any misalignment, the type and extent of misalignment, ocular motility testing, the binocular coordination, that is convergence and divergence, and also we test the focusing ability, that is the accommodation parameters. Based on history and evaluation, patients can be categorized to be having one of the following problems: amblyopia or lazy eye, extraocular movement disorders such as nystagmus or squint, accommodation issues, that is problems in focusing or shifting of focus between distance and near, binocular vision anomalies, that is problems in convergence, divergence, depth perception or fusion. Appropriate treatment options are advised, such as giving the right glass prescription. Sometimes an orthoptics issue can be completely treated just by giving the right glass prescription. Computer-based vision therapy, which is proving to be very helpful in patients with subnormal vision. Office-based or home-based exercises to strengthen eye muscles and improve binocular coordination. Eye patching or occlusion therapy. Patching of the stronger eye to force use the lazy eye is advocated in the treatment of amblyopia. Prisms can be prescribed to help align the eyes or to overcome double vision. Thus, orthoptics helps in improving eye alignment and binocular vision parameters, leading to better quality of life. If you have any orthoptics issue, do visit your nearest orthoptics clinic. Thank you.